Hi friends, and welcome to the 45th video of the channel. Percentages topic is going on. In the previous video we learned one typical problem on percentage. This is again one more problem. I have purposefully taken this problem. This was asked in one of the competitive exams. In this problem you will also see, and let me just add, those who have directly shifted to this video, it's better to watch first 2 or 3 videos of the channel, then you can continue learning from here. And for regular learners, it's just a video lesson as usual. Here you will find average combined with percentage. Of course, it could be placed in average or it could be placed in percentage, no issues. That is why I have chosen this problem, and we have already studied average topic in certain videos before. We took the averages, we studied fundamentals, then we solved the basic problems on averages. So if you had played with those video lessons, then definitely you can understand the concepts here. So be alert. In a history examination, the average for the entire class was 80 marks. If 10% of the students scored 95 marks and 20% scored 90 marks, what was the average marks of the remaining students of the class? During my interactions, I have noticed whenever such horrifying statements come, I have actually done that experiment. Majority of the candidates just want to skip this. But it is very easily attemptable. Like we have seen, you can say all the 44 videos. Even this video, it's very easy to break these into very simpler pieces, and we can very easily attempt it. Be alert, concentrate, listen what I say and just see what I write. The average for the entire class was 80 marks. Here friends, total strength is not given. So you can very safely take the total strength as 100. Our calculation becomes very simple. Here nowhere total strength is given. So let's take it as 100. If 10% of the students scored 95 marks, while explaining averages, I have already explained my notations. If 100 is the total strength, then 10% will be of course 10. So sum of 10 will be sum of 10 divided by 10. This is equal to 95. So sum of 10 will be 95 into 10 is 950. And 20% scored 90 marks. 20% of 100 is 20. So sum of 20 divided by 20. Sum of scores divided by total number of scores will give us the average. Sum of scores divided by total number of scores. This is equal to 90 is given. So sum of those 20 students, 9 into 2 is 1800. So when you add the total marks of these 10 students and 20 students, when you are adding these two, that is 1800 plus 950. It is 2750. That is when you add 1000, it will be 2800. 50 is less, it is 2750. The average for the entire class was 80. What was the entire class? Sum of 100 students divided by 100. This is equal to 80. So what will be the sum of 100 students? It is 8000. 8000 is what? sum of the marks of the entire class. Entire class total marks of 30% of the students, remaining is 70%, and that is exactly what we want. So let us subtract these two, because we want marks of the only 70% of the students. So when you remove 2000, it becomes 6000. When you remove 750 again, it becomes 5250. 5250 divided by, from 100, 70% will be 70. So 0, 0, 7 sevens are 49, 3 remains, 7 fives are 35, 75. Option C is the average of the remaining number of students. And let me just verify. 75 is 100% right answer. Later you can pause and make the notes. Even after the journey of 45 videos, you will see that my approach hasn't changed a bit, and it won't change either, because I am not bringing anything alien here. We are just developing the solutions right from scratch, just by going through the statements. And even though it is mathematics, even though it is quantitative aptitude, or as you call it as quant, even then it is free from formulae, free from those concrete ideas, free from those formulae which we use. And when you see such problems in many of the books or in many of the places, you will notice the way they solve is haphazard, they solve it in their own way. They bring some formula, but as you saw, it's certainly not necessary. Just by our fundamentals, we just use the definition of average and definition of percentage, and we applied some common sense, because we took 100. It's not only method, there are many other methods to solve such problems. So it's up to you, as I explained in some videos back. Same problem can be solved in many different variety of ways. So that is the thing which gives us the expertise. So you can try to solve this problem in any other methods if you are interested. So alright then, see you in the coming videos.